Are you looking for the best Chinese soldering irons and stations? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese soldering irons and stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Soldering A9. According to the product's description, the Soldering A9 belongs to the new generation of soldering stations, with a power rating of 120 watts and enhanced control features. It appears to be true. This tool is a perfect choice for professional electricians and engineers, as it is suitable for processing the smallest ultrafine circuits. The station features a smart display, tip stand, cleaning sponge, tip cleaner and control buttons. You can adjust the temperature, set up the short circuit protection and convert Celsius degrees to Fahrenheit. As for the cons, they are quite obvious. With a price of $126. It is one of the most expensive soldering stations on Aliexpress. Number 2, GVDA 2-in-1 750 watts. GVDA is a Chinese brand specializing in a wide range of welding tools, including soldering irons, stations and accessories. Their 750 watts soldering station with the automatic cooling function is the store's best seller, with a high rating of 4.9 based on 400+ customer reviews. This station offers both a soldering pencil and a hot air gun for welding and repair work. With digital LCD dual displays and control buttons, it is easy to adjust the temperature, 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius for soldering iron and 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius for a hot air gun. Featuring an output power of 80 watts, the soldering iron is fast to heat up. Customers note that the station is not noisy and suitable for cell phone repair works, circuit boards and component soldering. Just note that with a price of $47.48, it is more expensive when compared to other soldering stations available on AliExpress. Number 3, GVDA New Soldering. Let's start our rating with a basic soldering station suitable for professional and domestic use. A user-friendly GVDA New Soldering Station with a rapid heating system. The control station is equipped with everything you need for maintenance. There is a solder wire coil, tips and solder stand, as well as soldering iron tip cleaner. Moving to the specifications, with a power rating of 80 watts, the temperature can be adjusted from 80 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, which makes the soldering pencil very versatile. In addition to that, the control station features auto standby and auto sleep safety modes to prevent the dissolution of the iron tip coating.